Alright, welcome to this video. I'm going to go over how I set up the Caswell anodizing kit that you can buy from Caswell. Some of these parts are provided by Caswell, and some of these parts I provided to optimize the system for our use. So it is surrounded by a plexiglass guard wall, we'll call it. I used a flex pipe. This is really easy to put together. You can cut it to your own lengths, and you get all these sort of components, connecting components that you can customize for your design. And then I have the plexiglass on the outside to contain any of the water or the chemicals to this area and to protect all these machines that you see around. All right, so what you'll get from Caswell is 6 tanks, and you'll get the chemicals that go in them. All right, so 3 of the tanks are used for chemicals and 3 of them are used for rinsing. All right, I have it starts off with a degrease, and then a rinse, and then it goes to a deoxidizer, desmut process, and then it goes through a rinse, and then it goes through the anodizer, which you don't get the sulfuric acid for the anodizer. You have to buy that separately. And then you get another rinse station. You do get some sealing chemicals to seal the anodized surface, to lock the dye into that surface, but I didn't want to deal with another chemical, so I just opted for a steam bath here. All right, and that'll lock in the dye just the same as the chemical will. So you just basically need to heat up parts, steam them in hot water. Some of the things that I've added is a secondary containment pallet. It's a spill pallet that just so happens to be the right width and the right depth. I think it's what would it be? It's about 96 by 24 inches, I believe. So that's the size that will fit 6 tanks on here. And then I developed this cart that will hold the dyes here. So I'm using Caswell dyes. I have black, red, violet, green, blue, and yellow. You can mix them if you wish to make your own colors, but I'm just using them as is. And then I have just a hot plate here that heats up a little bit of water in the bottom of the pot, and then it seals the parts. So obviously I'm limited to smaller parts with this system. So if you had larger parts, you'd need to develop something a little bit bigger for your size. All right, so that is the Caswell system that I've developed. I've made some other videos on how I set up the anodizing tank and how I set up the rinse tanks, because those were changed for optimizing our process as well. All right, thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.